We just wanted to add that sound quality yesterday was terrible on the video that we posted. So we're going to go ahead and tell you guys again where we're at. We are in Coloma, California at Whitewater Excitement for our camp hosting job for the summer. If you guys don't know where Coloma, California is or what Whitewater Excitement is, we are a rafting company. And if you guys are interested, I will try to link the website down below. If anything, I will just put the text across the bottom so you guys know what website to go to. Doesn't matter.
If you live?
Yeah.
Kind of. Okay, so Jennifer and I are tired of laying in our van, so we are going on a hike. We decided to Google a little trail. So we're going on a hike. Let's see if we see anything awesome. Worth seeing, really. Alright, so this is a little sketchier than we thought. Here's the highway. Here we are just walking.
I'm thinking about going in like the little trench right here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Walking instead, because
I don't feel like
about to get hit.
Yeah. Whew. Gee, even Christmas. This is what we're walking in. Literally a trench.
We have 6 minutes, 0.3 miles left.
Alright. Oh no. There's more than one. They're circling us. This isn't good. Oh shit. I'm gonna die. This is a work in progress. We're gonna have to I can't even talk.
So I think every single time we've driven past this part, I've never seen this.
Dave Moore Nature Area. Huh. Let's see what this place has got to offer. It's a big ass animal trail. Whoa, shoot. Yeah, it leads absolutely nowhere.
Okay, here's the animal trail then.
Alright, let's get out of here.
That's what I'm saying, this is our problem.
Ow! Come on!
Yank it.
This is our problem.
Yank it.
Ugh. We're not made for this.
I mean, we are, but we just keep doing it.
Yeah, I like that one better. Okay. Oh my god, dude.
Maybe we are made for this.
Jeez. Crikey. Speakerphone, don't you? Whoa. quality is a little bit sketchier than I'd hoped. Oh, my body's all crappy. Yeah, I'm sliding down. That's pretty awesome, man. Mushroom on down. Let's go through the tiny ball, the tiny rock ball, the tiny rock ball. Let's do this. Oh. Huh? Oh, that's good. You see rock ball? Oh, yeah. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's really good. Ready, I'm ready. So I'm guessing the water came at one point down by Mushroom Rock, around this way, and while it's coming down here, it's probably not the rock maybe? I don't know. Hopefully we're on our way to the China rock wall or Chinese rock wall or...
I mean, I feel like I see a lot of this throughout the whole trail. Like, I would assume that this is the Chinese rock wall.
Oh, like the...
Wait. I hear water. Finally. So we're walking the trail and we can hear some water. That you guys can hear on the it's the river. Oh, nice spot. I wonder if we'll see anybody that we know after.
I don't know, let's see. We might see people we know. Wow. Yeah, this is the rapid I was talking about.
Oh, it was?
Mm-hmm. This is a barking dog, I think. This is barking dog.
Oh, is this the one that you guided down?
Yep.
Oh,
I
cool.
actually hopped in the boat and guided.
Oh, that's right, because we're only like a half mile from camp.
Mm-hmm. I didn't know that we could actually go here, though.
I didn't either.
I mean, actually get it. Because I was looking, I was taking time lapse of people. And
I bet we'll see Courtney. Maybe. I doubt it.
they already came for lunch, remember? Or what time is it?
Yeah, because I left at 8 this morning. And they're doing, because they're doing
Want to climb it? Oh. Oh, shit. And it goes right back down the little path. Whatever. One question is, how am I going to get back down?
I go go that way.
I didn't think this through very well.
Put your foot there.
Maybe. Oh. Okay. Back at it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm out of shape too.
Just taking a quick break on this, like, I don't know, 2-mile trail.
Yeah, right. It's probably like quarter mile.
Ow, ow, ow. Shouldn't have sat down.
Let's see. That's pretty cool. It's a tree. It's a tree.
Yeah, it is.
This video is going to be
A lot of trees.
a lot of trees.
And a lot of rocks.
A lot of rocks.
My water's already hot.
I know, so is mine.
Okay, ready?
All right, let's get back at it. So it seems like every, I don't know, say 100 feet or so we have to stop. But that's okay.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, I hope you guys understand. It's been longer than a minute.
Right, I think we're getting close.
Yeah. Close to the end of this trail?
Correct.
Okay, well, let's get going. Okay, so we made it back to the, well, where we came in
End
at,
of the trail.
end of the trail. So what do you think? What do you think overall about this park, babe?
I like it. I could see us, like, you know, if we're ever bored, especially since it's close and we just want to get out for a day,
Yeah,
just walk down here and, you know, take a little hike. The trail's not like too long
yeah. That's you know, it's perfect. It's not too long.
and it's shaded. Like,
It's
for most
shaded.
of it.
Yeah, that's true. And I mean, anybody can go down it. I mean,
Oh,
handicapped,
yeah. Kiddos.
handicapped kiddos,
Elderly.
elderly, yeah.
Definitely not like a hard trail to walk at all.
Nah. I mean, it may have looked it by the way we were having to stop every 5
And
minutes,
it's
but
a little lengthy for people who don't regularly get out and actually like exercise or walk.
but that's us, and we made it. So, yeah. What's the name of this park? Do you know?
I'm gonna say Dave Moore Nature Area.
Okay, Dave Moore Nature. Out of 10 stars, I give it, for just a little trail to walk on and hike, I give it 7 out of 10, man. It was 7.5 actually. It's pretty good. Extremely comfortable the whole way. And then towards the middle, yeah, Dave Moore Nature Area, baby.
Thanks for watching, guys. It's our first video and our first video edit. It's not exactly how we wanted it, but we are currently in the process of finding some different editing software, and so hopefully it'll turn out a little bit more what we want, and it'll be better quality and better content for you guys to watch. We hope that you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.